Hello and welcome back to Off Grid Style. We are doing a video today, or I'm doing a video today and you're watching it, that is probably near and dear to many people's hearts, including my husband's. And that is survival skills you can learn from your couch. He thought this was great. And I was giggling the whole entire time I made it because I know that there's a whole lot of people who would love to just sit there and learn some of these things. Doesn't mean you have to go practice them, but that's beside the point. So this video is about survival skills you can learn from your couch. Let's get started.
Survival skills you can learn from your couch. Survival skills are often associated with outdoor adventures and rugged terrains. But did you know that you can start acquiring these crucial abilities right from the comfort of your home? In today's digital age, a wealth of knowledge is at your fingertips, and you can become better prepared for emergencies and survival situations without stepping outside. So, here are 10 survival skills you can learn from your couch. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting. And the first survival skill you can learn from your couch is first aid. The ability to provide first aid is a fundamental survival skill. Many online resources, courses, and video tutorials can teach you basic first aid techniques and cardiopulmonary resuscitation or CPR. Understanding how to treat wounds, injuries, and medical emergencies is invaluable for any survival scenario. Another survival skill to learn from your couch: knot tying. Knot tying is, of course, a versatile outdoor skill used for various purposes, from setting up shelters to securing gear. You can find numerous instructional videos and online tutorials that demonstrate different types of knots and their applications. Mastering these knots is essential for any survivalist. And you can actually sit on the couch and watch TV while you practice tying these knots as well. Map reading and navigation. Proficiency in map reading and navigation is key to finding your way in the wilderness. Map reading and planning can also be invaluable if you are bugging out and need to utilize little-known back roads. You can study maps and practice using a compass indoors to develop your skills. There are also online tools and apps that simulate map reading scenarios. Another survival skill to learn from your couch is the wild edibles around you. Knowing which wild plants are safe to eat in your region can be a life-saving skill. There are books, websites, and documentaries that can help you learn about edible plants and their identification. Always cross-reference your information to ensure safety. Check for nearby foraging guide classes to ensure your knowledge is accurate and safe. Every state has these classes, although it may mean a bit of a drive, but once you have a good base of learning, completing an actual foraging class is invaluable. I do not recommend using any of those plant identification apps on your phone. I have tried 3 of them and found all of them to be wrong 50% or more of the time. Another very interesting survival skill you can learn from your couch is survival psychology. Survival isn't just about physical skills. It's also about mental resilience. You can delve into the psychological aspects of survival by reading books or watching documentaries on survival stories. Understanding the mental challenges that people face in life or death situations is invaluable. And then there's water purification. Learning how to purify water is essential, as safe drinking water is a top priority in any survival scenario. You can study various water purification methods and even experiment with DIY water filters using common household items. And another survival skill you can at least learn the principles of from your couch is self-defense. Understanding self-defense techniques and strategies can help you protect yourself and your loved ones in challenging situations. Online self-defense courses and instructional videos can provide valuable knowledge and skills. And, of course, once you learn the basics, you can always take classes, many of which are free, to fine-tune your defensive skills. Survival skills you can learn from your couch include learning about herbs. Knowledge of medicinal herbs can be an essential asset. You can learn about the various herbs with healing properties, their uses, and how to prepare them for different health needs. You can practice what you have learned about herbal remedies with items you already have on hand: garlic, apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, oregano, sage, and ginger, just to name a few. I also recommend keeping a notebook on each medicinal herb's uses. This way, you will have your own reference material. Sewing is a great survival skill to learn from the couch. Basic sewing skills can help you repair clothing and gear, ensuring they remain functional in survival situations. Online tutorials can teach you how to stitch and mend effectively. Keep in mind, you can also learn how to weave, knit, or the even easier loom knitting while sitting on the couch. Evacuation route planning. Understanding how to plan and prepare evacuation routes is critical for escaping danger or disaster. Online maps, local resources, and emergency management guidelines can all help you plan routes to safe locations during emergencies. While learning survival skills from your couch is an excellent starting point, practical application is essential. Consider taking your knowledge and testing it during outdoor excursions, even if they are short day trips.
Well, what'd you think? Did you like the video? Did you think it was interesting? Did you think that, yeah, I could actually do some of these things sitting on my couch, in my case, knitting? By the way, that is what I do in between each video while I'm waiting for them to upload and download and all those things, is I knit like mad. Everybody in my family is getting something knit for Christmas. But anyway, let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, all of the good stuff to let me know that you were here, please, because I love knowing that people watch. And I hope you all have a great day. Thank you.